name's Dustin Rosdale, the Weeding Tech Foam Stream Product Specialist, and this is your Turf Equipment and Supply Company video update for March 2019.
We are excited to announce a new partnership with Weeding Tech, the world's leading herbicide-free technology for managing green and urban spaces. Weeding Tech is a leader for technology that provides environmental alternatives to redefine weed control, as well as additional functionality like cleaning and sanitation options for green space customers. At the heart of the product is the foam stream process, which works by insulating hot water using biodegradable foam to eradicate weeds, clean, and sterilize. Contact me for more information. Did you know that Turf Equipment is your supplier for fins, sales, repairs, parts, and rental solutions? We are stocked with all the repair parts for your bark blowers, hydroseeders, and straw blowers so you can be up and running this spring. Call our parts department to learn smarter ways to work with Finn. Is your golf irrigation toolbox stocked and ready to go for the new season? For the month of March, take 10% off your entire order of irrigation technician tools to gear up for a successful irrigation season. We have everything you need from sprinkler adjustment and repair tools to wire and splicing tools. Orders over $1,000 receive free freight and a free kneeling pad. Call any of our branches today to place your order. Join Jim Laiche from the Toro Company as he brings his expertise to the area for 2 informative Sentinel refresher sessions. Jim will review the operation of the Sentinel system, including faceplate functions and handheld commands. In addition, he will cover the software and operations, including setup and use of flow sensors and soil moisture sensors. Register online for 2 events, one in Maryland on March 20th and one in New Jersey on March 26th. Be prepared to be blown away. Introducing Umount blowers. Mount this 200-mile-an-hour plus blaster and see how Umount boosts your utility vehicle into a multi-task workhorse with split-second directional blowing at your fingertips. The blower features a high-power motor, easy mount system, nozzle steering control, and compact design. Call your commercial territory manager today about adding this unique option to your fleet. Our service shops in Westchester and Jessup are bustling with activity, but it's still not too late to get your sprayer calibrated for the season. Our certified service technicians will completely calibrate any brand sprayer and calibrate speed sensors and flow meters. We also offer a discount on nozzles and caps during the calibration service. Contact us today to request sprayer calibration because just like Toro Equipment, our service team delivers productivity you can count on. And that's the Turf Equipment and Supply Company video update for March 2019. Visit our website at www.turf-equipment.com for all your upcoming events, specials, and educational resources.